Press Ctrl+J to duplicate your background layer. Go to Select, Subject. Add a layer mask. Create a solid color layer. And pick a background color. Place the color fill layer below the subject layer. Select the layer with the subject. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Select Torn Edges. And adjust the settings to your liking. Select the mask of the subject. And select Select and Mask. Increase the contrast to make the hair less fuzzy. Create a solid color layer. And pick a color for the subject. Create a clipping mask for this color fill layer. Change the blending mode to multiply. Select the mask of the top color fill layer. Select the brush tool. And make the foreground color black. You can brush over certain areas, like the eyes, to make them white again. And that's how you create this effect. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop tutorials.